Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The Best Bubbles toys is probably one of the most exciting and engaging ways to bring joy and wonder into a child's playtime, offering endless opportunities for outdoor fun and imaginative exploration. These delightful toys transform simple soap and water into mesmerizing spheres that dance in the air, captivating young minds and encouraging active play. From classic bubble wands to elaborate bubble machines and specialized bubble solutions, the world of bubble toys provides a universally loved experience that fosters creativity and provides hours of entertainment for children of all ages. Number 5. WOWmazing Giant Bubble Wands Kit. Get ready for unbelievably large bubbles. Our special wand design has set world records for big bubbles for the past 30 years. Prepare for amazed reactions. Our bubble concentrate is proudly made right here in the USA. It's safe, eco-friendly, non-toxic, and biodegradable, ensuring a high-quality experience you can trust. This complete kit has everything you need to start creating. You'll get the giant bubble maker, bubble concentrate, and a booklet with tips to become a bubble master. With this set, you can make bubbles that are not only big but also vibrant and incredibly fun. It's designed for maximum bubble making enjoyment. It's a fantastic activity for kids and families outdoors. Use it in the backyard, at the park, or on the beach for endless entertainment. This is a wonderful gift or activity for boys and girls of any age. It's also a fun educational tool for science classes at school. What we like? If you're aiming for truly spectacular, record-breaking bubbles, this is the one. The giant bubble wands and USA-made concentrate are designed for maximum wow factor. If you want to impress everyone at your next outdoor gathering or simply create unforgettable memories, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The toy is made of durable plastic and has smooth edges, making it safe for young children. It features a unique bubble-blowing mechanism that creates large, long-lasting bubbles. The toy is lightweight and easy for kids to hold and operate independently. Number 4. BANGCOOL Big Bubble Wand Set. Introducing the BANGCOOL Big Bubble Wand Set, designed for endless fun. It's perfect for creating big, funny bubbles for any occasion. Make large and funny bubbles at weddings, birthdays, or family gatherings. These colorful bubbles are sure to bring more laughter and joy. Enjoy awesome outdoor playtime with this bubble wand set. It's perfect for parks, yards, playgrounds, or lawns, bringing fun anytime. Making miraculous bubbles is easy. Simply prepare your bubble solution in the tray, stir with the wand, and watch them appear quickly. This set is suitable for all ages. Made from quality, non-toxic plastic, it's safe for everyone to enjoy. The set includes a variety of sizes to create different bubble effects. You'll find tools for the biggest bubbles, medium ones, and mini sticks. What we like? For a versatile and fun bubble experience for everyone, consider this set. It offers multiple wand sizes to cater to different bubble ambitions and a convenient tray for easy dipping. If you're looking for a crowd pleaser for parties, family days, or just general outdoor fun that everyone from kids to adults can enjoy, this is a great choice. What people say. The toy is very durable and has withstood rough play from multiple children. The bright colors and different textures on the toy keep my child engaged for extended periods. It's easy to clean and sanitize, which is a huge plus for a children's toy. Number 3. Giant Bubble Wand Party Set. Get ready for endless fun with our Giant Bubble Wand Party Set. It includes everything you need for an amazing bubble experience. This set comes with a professional bubble wand and a special bubble mix. Just add water and dish soap to create a gallon of super strength solution. It's easy to hold, two-handle design makes creating giant bubbles simple for everyone. The durable rods are perfect for both kids and adults. It's not just fun, it's educational too. Explore concepts like elasticity and surface tension while you play. Take the fun anywhere. It's ideal for parties, picnics, beach days, or any outdoor adventure. Don't miss out on the ultimate bubble experience. Buy your set now and create some magic. What we like? If you want a complete, high-quality experience that also offers a touch of learning, this is your best bet. It provides a large quantity of bubble solution and professional-grade wands, perfect for creating huge, long-lasting bubbles. If you're a parent or educator looking for a fun way to introduce concepts like surface tension, or simply want an extended bubble making session, this set is ideal. What people say. The toy is very durable and has survived many drops. My child loves the bright colors and the different textures on the toy. It's easy to clean and sanitize, which is a big plus for me. Number 2. CoComelon NO Spill Musical Bubble Machine. Introducing the CoComelon NO Spill Musical Bubble Machine, a fun and engaging toy designed for little ones. It's perfect for toddlers and kids who love bubbles and music. This bubble machine is designed to help children learn through play. It features a beloved CoComelon character and plays a song from the popular CoComelon TV show. Enjoy endless bubble fun without the mess. Its no-spill design means no tears, even if it gets knocked over. It's the perfect outdoor toy for continuous enjoyment. This set includes the bubble machine, a song excerpt, and 20 ounces of non-toxic bubble solution. Choose between playing the song with bubbles or just making bubbles. Take the fun to the beach, pool, park, or backyard. It's an incredible party favor, gift, or Easter basket stuffer for any child. Safety is a priority with non-toxic bubbles included. It's easy for babies, toddlers, and kids of all ages to use and will bring delight every time. What we like. For the youngest bubble enthusiasts, especially those who love CoComelon, this is the ultimate choice. Its no-spill design means less mess and more fun, perfect for toddlers and babies. If you're looking for a safe, engaging, and mess-free bubble toy that also plays music, this machine is sure to be a hit at parties or in the backyard. What people say. The toy is made of durable, non-toxic plastic, ensuring safety for children. It features a unique bubble-blowing mechanism that creates large, long-lasting bubbles. The design is ergonomic and easy for small hands to grip and operate. Number 1. Eaglestone 2 Bubble Gun. Get ready for endless fun with this amazing bubble gun. It's designed to create thousands of colorful bubbles that float and fly, bringing joy to kids and pets alike. Enjoy worry-free playtime thanks to its 360-degree leak-proof design. The solution is perfectly contained, so you can carry it anywhere without any mess or sticky hands. As the sun goes down, the fun doesn't have to stop. With cool LED lights, this bubble maker adds a magical glow to your nighttime adventures. Ignite their imagination with a cool astronaut theme. Its unique spaceship shape and fun stickers are sure to capture any child's attention. Getting started is a breeze. Just add the bubble liquid and batteries, and watch as your little ones dive into hours of bubble-filled excitement. Looking for the ultimate surprise? This bubble gun is the ideal gift for birthdays, parties, holidays, or just a fun day outdoors. It's guaranteed to bring smiles. What we like. If you want an effortless and visually exciting bubble experience, this automatic bubble gun is the way to go. With its 8-hole design, it produces a massive amount of bubbles quickly, and the LED lights make it extra fun for evening play. If you're looking for a high-energy toy that will entertain kids and pets alike, especially at parties or during outdoor adventures, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The product is very durable and has held up well to rough play. The design is very engaging for children, with bright colors and interesting textures. It features multiple interactive elements that keep kids entertained for hours. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.